Hi everyone, it's Louise here from So Sophia. Just coming on to show you, well, first of all to make the announcement that my Busy Bagmaker subscription box has launched today, yay! This is part of my project box series that I've been introducing over the past few months, but in a subscription form, and it's bi-monthly, so you get a new box with a new bag project in it every other month. Now the way it works is the first month is October. It's kicking off in October, and then the next boxes will be December, next February, April, June and August. So 6 boxes in a year, and what you get in each box is a bag project, a pattern, either by myself or one of my pattern designer friends that I'm collaborating with for these boxes. You get fabrics, the exterior and lining fabrics for each bag project, plus the interfacings, the metal hardware and the zips in order to make each bag, or webbing, or whatever's required to make that particular bag. So that's the Busy Bagmaker box, a bi-monthly subscription. It's £55, which will be the same amount for each box. The price won't go up. £55 to subscribe to my bi-monthly Bagmaker box. And there's a bonus gift if you're interested in signing up to my subscription. The link is in the is featured on this live, but one of the pattern designers I'm collaborating with for my first box is my good friend Damjana of AppleGreen Cottage patterns. I've made a number of her patterns, and one of my absolute favorites is her pocket-sized mini wallet called the Kalina Mini Wallet. Now, Damjana has kindly offered the pattern as a bonus gift when you subscribe to my box by the 30th of September. You get her mini wallet pattern, and I will be giving the hardware to go with the pattern, and you'll have more than enough fabric in your box to make a matching mini wallet to go with the bag that you'll be making in October. I've got one of the mini wallets here because I make these all the time. I have one myself, Sophia has one. I always make a batch for my craft fairs. Love these. In fact, I've got a whole bunch here, look. So this would be your, not in this fabric, it's not in this fabric, but this is a sample of the Kalina Mini Wallet pattern that you will get free when you subscribe to my Busy Bagmaker box by the 30th of September. That's Tuesday, right? Okay, so let me show you and what I'll be doing. Anyone who subscribes and gets the free wallet pattern will also get the key ring and a magnetic snap. This is an ordinary snap. I'll be giving him a little magnetic snap and a zip, so that you'll be able to make your own little wallet as well. And this one's so cute. It's got a zip pocket for your change, a slip pocket behind it, and then 3 pockets for cards, but you can double up on the cards. I usually end up putting like 3 cards in each pocket. Really dinky little purse that you can pop in your pocket. You can pop in your pocket. Oh, I'm so tongue-tied this afternoon. You can pop it in your pocket, coat pocket, jeans pocket, handbag. You can attach your car keys to it. It's so lightweight and compact. You won't want to use a bigger purse after you use one of these. So the pattern will be free for anyone who signs up. Now, I have had a mixed response from people interested in my October box about the fabric choices. And I know fabric is really important to deciding, an important deciding factor when you're making a bag. And if I keep it a mystery and you're not happy with what you've got, I don't want that at all. So what I thought I'd do is give a sneak peek reveal of the fabrics that feature in the October box. And if you want to keep it a surprise, then look away. I'll tell you in a minute. But I've gone for, I'm not one for garishly bright pinks and purples and metallics, and I like quite subdued, I like bold colours and I like bright colours, but I don't like in your face fluorescent, you know. So I mean, you just have to see what I'm wearing. And in fact, the colours of my box are pretty similar to the top I'm wearing today. But you only have to look at my blog or my website and see all the fabrics that I use for my work, for my bags, to know what kind of fabrics I lean towards, what colours I will be leaning towards in my project boxes. So rest assured, they'll always be coordinated, always very tasteful and seasonal as well. So I think what I've chosen here will go nicely for the autumn season, into winter, and even into spring. I think you'll love it. What I'll do is right now I'm going to reveal the fabrics I've chosen, but at this stage I'm not going to reveal the pattern that we'll be making. It's one of my patterns. It's actually a twist on the pattern. It's not the exact pattern. We're twisting it up a bit and making it a bit different, so it's going to be pretty unique. Right, now look away now if you don't want to know. But my feature fabric, it's by one of my favourite fabric designers, Caterina Roccella. I used her fabric for my June project box from her Florence collection, and I used her fabric for my advent calendar as well. Well, I'm afraid to say I'm using her fabric again from the Florence collection, because aside from doing the Florence, I shouldn't be telling you this if you're not wanting to have a surprise. Never mind. The Florence bag in June was the buildings, the cathedral and buildings of Florence. But Caterina Roccella also designed, was very inspired by Botticelli's paintings and the floral with birds. So this is my main fabric for the bag. I better stop gabbling and just show you. So it's like an ochre mustardy fabric with beautiful peacocks, birds and flowers. It has a hand painted quality. I really hope you love it. So that is one of the fabrics that we'll be using to make a feature of on the bag. And it goes with this beautiful wildflower. This one's actually called Primavera al tramonto, which means spring at dusk. Beautiful fabric. So what I thought was, this one's on a navy background, this is mustard. And for the pattern we'll be using, you need 1/2 meter of each for the lining and the main fabric. So my reasoning behind these two was, if you don't want the mustard one on the outside, you could have the floral one on the outside and the mustard fabric on the inside. So I'm giving you a couple of choices here. When you open your box, you can decide which one you want to feature. And the idea with my project boxes is, because I give you the pattern and the exact quantities of fabric for that pattern, there's not going to be much decision making going on. We want to cut it out and start sewing and make the bag. That's the whole point. There's another fabric I can show you, because apart from these two fabrics in the box, there will be another one. And you'll understand why when you get the project. This is also part of the Florence collection. It's the Damasco. It's like damask on a burnt orange, and you see how beautifully they go together. And I just thought for the autumn months, what a beautiful coordinating set of fabrics to play with. I really hope you love these. If the mustard one is a complete no-no for you, because I understand that yellows aren't everyone's cup of tea, I do have another option from the same fabric collection. And if you prefer, I have the periwinkle version, or it's like a sky blue. So what I can say to you is that, having seen my live today, if you're a team mustard, then that's the main box. That's what the October box will be. But if you'd like the sky blue one instead of this, just pop a note on at the checkout, and I'll swap it over. So hopefully you love the fabrics as much as I do. I think they're just gorgeous together. I think they're going to make a beautiful bag. And the idea behind my project box is you get to keep the bag that you make and enjoy it. And if you're not keen on the bag, make it for someone else, because there's always going to be someone else who will adore the finished result. So that's all from me for today. Don't forget, there's a free offer, a free gift of a mini wallet pattern with the hardware to make the mini wallet pattern, which you can make to match the bag in the October box. But you only get the bonus gift if you subscribe by the 30th of September. And yeah, that's about it. I'm really excited about this new box, and you'll find all the details, how the subscription works as well, on my website. I've dropped a link to this video. If you have any questions, or you want to know, if you want any more details that aren't on my website, just drop me a line and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. On that note, enjoy the rest of your Sunday. I can't believe the sun is shining today. It was grotty here yesterday. Sky is blue, sun is out. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye for now.